friends, welcome back. In my previous video, I started wondering out loud about AI, Google Ads, and SEO. I asked whether all these new AI tools were changing the way search works for photographers. I'll link that video in the notes in case you want to catch up. Today, I want to dive even deeper, especially for family photographers, because AI is everywhere, and it's amazing. But amazing doesn't always mean it replaces what already works. So let's talk about what I'm actually seeing. Right now, people are searching in new ways. They're asking AI for outfit ideas, location inspiration, planning help, and general information, and that's really exciting. AI has become like a super smart friend you can bounce ideas off of. But I started to wonder something important. Is Google still relevant when AI is answering so many questions? And the more I paid attention, the clearer it became. Yes, especially when it comes to proximity. AI versus Google. They serve different purposes, so let's compare the two. When someone uses AI, they're usually in discovery mode. They ask things like, where are good places for family photos in Austin? What colors photograph well outdoors? How do I get my kids ready for pictures? AI is thoughtful, conversational, exploratory, but those are not booking questions. Those are planning questions. Google searches are totally different. Google is where someone goes when they're ready to solve a problem locally. They type family photographer near me, Austin family photographer, best photographer in Westlake. These searches are short, urgent, and location-based. That's intent, and Google Ads and SEO are built around that intent. Here's something really important for us as family photographers. We are local businesses. Families are busy, overwhelmed, juggling schedules and kids and life. When a mom finally decides, I need to book family photos, she wants someone close by, someone trustworthy, and a photographer who matches her vibe. That's where Google Maps and Google Business Profiles come in. Google literally shows her businesses based on location. She can see reviews right there. She can view photos, connect to a real profile, and she gets confirmation that you serve her area. AI can't replace that local trust signal, but Google can deliver it in seconds. So before we go any further, let's quickly review what intent-based marketing actually is for family photographers. Intent-based marketing means using SEO, your Google Business Profile, and Google Ads together so you show up online when real families in your local area are actively searching and ready to book. SEO absolutely works for that. It helps Google understand who you are, where you are, and what you offer. And that is targeted, proximity-driven marketing. Now, let's talk about what SEO results actually look like in real life. When I searched for Austin family photographer, my business showed up 7th on the page. That's great news. It means SEO is already helping Google see my business as relevant for local family photography searches. But if you look at the SEO result, something interesting happened. Google pulled the headline and description directly from my website. It even used my headshot as the image associated with the SEO listing instead of a family photo. And that copy and image came from a little About Me blurb on my homepage. So SEO is doing its job. I'm showing up on the first page, the result is relevant, and it's proximity based. But I also know it could be improved. I would love Google to feature instead a beautiful family image that connects immediately clear, eye-catching copy about my services, a description aimed more at booking than storytelling. SEO is effective, but as photographers, we don't have total control over what Google decides to highlight. And that's exactly where Google Ads come in. Now let's compare that to my Google ad result. When I searched Google again, my ad showed up number 1, right at the very top. And here's the difference. The copy in that ad is exactly what I provided to Google for this specific search. With Google Ads, I get to control the message, the headlines, the keyword matches, the images, and the targeting. That means I can speak directly to my ideal client with language that is clear, targeted, and designed to connect. And the best part, when someone clicks that ad, they land exactly where I want them to, on my family photography sales page. No wandering around the site, no confusion, no extra steps, just a direct proximity-based path to book. So SEO is great. It is absolutely part of the intent-based marketing system and should never be ignored. But Google Ads takes that same SEO power and makes it even more effective. I like to think of it this way. SEO equals targeted marketing. Google Ads equals even more targeted marketing. Google Ads are SEO but better. With copy, images, and landing pages, you design yourself to connect and take potential clients exactly where you want them. And that level of control is everything for real results. This is why I say all the time, not all traffic is created equal. If someone lands on your homepage, your blog, or your About Me page from SEO, they still have to figure out what you offer. That's a lot of mental work for a busy mom. But Google Ads remove that friction. They bring the right people to the right place at the right time. Intent-based traffic converts better because it's already looking, already local, already interested, and you can see that play out in my own data. Here's a snapshot from Google Sitekit on the back end of my website. You can see that in the last 28 days, almost 75% of the traffic to my family photography page came from my Google ad. And it's even higher on my newborn sales page. Over 80% of the traffic there came from my Google ad. That means the process worked. Google Ads didn't just bring more people. They brought the right people to the right place. So no, AI hasn't replaced Google Ads and SEO. It has a different purpose. AI is wonderful for exploration, but Google Ads is still primary when people are ready to buy. And for family photographers serving local communities, that intent-based proximity is everything. Thanks for being here today, friends. I hope this gave you clarity and confidence. In the next video, I will walk you through exactly how to set up your own Google ad and how to navigate the Google Ads platform. See you there.